friends, my name is Lily. Today is World Pneumonia Day. So, let's see about pneumonia.
Life is pretty easy when you can breathe in and breathe out without any issues. World Pneumonia Day. World Pneumonia Day is being celebrated all over the world today. This day is celebrated on 12th November every year around the world. The day was first started by the United Nations on 12th November 2009. This year, that is 12th November of this 2020, World Pneumonia Day will be held during a global pandemic that is dramatically increasing pneumonia deaths from COVID-19.
What is pneumonia?
Pneumonia is a serious respiratory disease that causes infection in the lungs. When there is pneumonia, the lungs become inflamed and sometimes water is also filled.
What is the reason for pneumonia and its symptoms?
There are a lot of symptoms for pneumonia which include sudden high fever, pain in chest, excessive sweating and urination, headache, excessive thirst, face, mouth and eye redness, dry cough, breathlessness, swelling in lungs, speed of pulse, weakness due to loss of appetite and bleeding with mucus.
Will I get pneumonia?
It's a good question, Liddy. Anyone can get pneumonia. It's more common in certain groups, especially children younger than 5 years and those above 60 years are prone to pneumonia as their immunity is low.
Can I eat ice cream during the time of pneumonia?
It is good to skip cold foods like cold beverages, ice creams and cold dessert, as it thought to increase the production of mucus. A pneumonia patient should have a proper diet plan. There are certain foods that help to control the symptoms of infection. These foods help in the healthy maintenance of lungs and prevent the development of an infection in the respiratory tract. Foods that to be included are water. Drink plenty of water. Not only water, but other fluids like juices help in loosening the mucus from the lungs and also flush out the harmful toxins and foreign particles that causes an obstruction in the respiratory tract. Protein-rich foods like nuts, seeds, beans, white meat and cold water fishes like salmon and sardine have anti-inflammatory properties and in repairing the damaged tissues and building the new tissues in the body. Green leafy vegetables like spinach help in healing the respiratory infection as it contains antioxidants. Vitamin C rich citrus fruits like oranges, berries, kiwi help in boosting the immune system. Turmeric, which is a mucolytic, and ginger, which have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial property, should also be included. Last but not the least, include honey. It is known for its healing properties for a long time. It aids in curing cough and cold. Also, it has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. As a remedial measure, grind a garlic bud and eat it with 2 spoons of hot water in the morning and evening. Drink 1 spoon of garlic juice in hot water and drink it twice a day. Drink a spoonful of ginger and basil juice with honey. The food that to be avoided include processed food and soft drinks. Avoid milk and dairy products as it increases mucus in the body. Avoid consuming things that you are allergic to. Avoid consuming more sweets. A diet that contains artificial color, flavor, and caffeine should not be included in the diet.
And should I contact the doctor if there is any symptoms of pneumonia?
There are certain cases where we should contact the doctor as soon as possible. They are: first, when the patient is about 60 years of age. Second, when the patient's breath is fast. Third, when the patient's PP systolic is greater than 40 and diastolic is less than 90 mm of Hg. Fourth, when breathing assistance is required. Fifth, the patient's temperature is lower than normal. Sixth, and the patient's heart rate is below 50 or above 100.
How can we treat and prevent this pneumonia?
Treatment for pneumonia involves curing the infection and preventing complications. Specific treatments depends on the type and severity of your pneumonia, your age, and your overall health. The opinions include antibiotics, cough medicine, fever reducers or painkillers, and you may need to be hospitalized under certain circumstances.
On this occasion of World Pneumonia Day, we must all remember that we can win this fight against pneumonia. Stand together and fight. Have a happy and healthy World Pneumonia Day.